on, guys? It's our Friend Outlaws 218 here. And like I said, we're going to post a part 2. I'm not going to make y'all wait too long. And I just got off the phone with my buddy. And he's going to be heading this way. We're going to finish our dirt bike trail. We repaired them. And as you can see, this is my Jeep Cherokee. It's actually, this thing hauls with a trailer. I was hitting 82 on the way to my farm with a trailer on the back. Like, I'll show y'all real quick. Like, it is fast. I wasn't paying attention to my screen, sorry. That's why I crashed right there. But could you put my reverse makeup? My reverse? You know what we should start doing on roleplay? They're going to hear us, I don't care. What if we drive in first person to make it even look more realistic? Alright, y'all, we're going to start driving in first person. Because that makes roleplay way more realistic. Alright, starting now. You see that thing squat, y'all? You're on, like, popping wheelies. You can see that take off. I'm gonna go meet him. Oops. Yeah, first person too hard. Nope. Oh, yeah, let's get a little cinematic of my Jeep Cherokee. Okay, y'all? We'll get a cinematic of me flying. Let's go to town. Alright. And then we'll hop on the dirt bikes later.
Yeah, because I got to fill up with gas anyways.
Yeah, and I want to show them how fast it is. I want to give them a cinematic. Oops. I missed a turn, didn't I?
Oh, well, there's another gas station up here somewhere.
Yep.
Never mind. That's
Yep.
a dead end.
Yeah, but I want to fly for them. I'm going to fly for them. Because I'm...
Brody.
Alright, y'all ready? Oh, yeah, look at that speed. Oh, I need to repair it. Go a little bit faster. I don't care. I'm just ripping around. Look at this. I'm already at 80. Turns, dude. Alright, we're going to take the dirt bike for a rip. Let's go back to the farm. Oops, stop sign. Hopefully no cops get me. Oops, stop sign again. I need to fix the turn radius on this. Alright, y'all, let's get a top speed on the way back. I'm lagging, holy crap. Let's get a top speed on it, y'all. With the trailer. Oh, stop signs, who cares? Oh, we're at the bridge. Uh-oh. Oh, dude, we're going 82 right now. Skirt.
What took you so long?
I was trying to show them top speed. And I skirted in here. So, yo, I'm so sorry. It's like making it. I'm not making it where y'all can't comment, but it's saying like y'all can't comment or something. And so I guess y'all are gonna have to go to my TikTok to tell me what to build. It's Mud and Vehicle. That's the name of it. Okay, and I'll drop it in the description. Unless it lets y'all comment now. I don't know if it will or not. Oh yeah, and I made my tires a little bit smaller, y'all. Let's go up this path. Oh, you already did.
I bottomed out.
Hey, y'all, don't forget to go to my friend's YouTube channel. I'll put his link in the description. Go sub to him. He made a video on how to wheelie a dirt bike.
And it's freaking mint.
Yo, these trails are kind of fun.
Oops.
Oh, dude, it leads to a house.
Whoa.
Look, a garage. Oh, this could be like our hunting house. There's a camper down there, too.
I'm coming.
You want to make this our hunting house? We keep our four-wheeler here?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, y'all, we're gonna keep our four-wheeler and our Mavericks here now.
And dirt bikes.
And not so much dirt bikes.
Where in the fuck
I'm just on riding trails. Hey, and keep it friendly. But like in the other video, if you didn't see the other video, make sure you go watch it. Like I said, wait, what did I say? I said 25 subs. Wait, no, I said at 50 subs. What did I say at 50 subs? At 100 subs, I said giveaway. Yo, I can't remember. Y'all are just going to have to go back to the video, and I'll watch it too later.
50 subs you get to play with.
Oh, yeah. At 50 subs, y'all get to... Ooh, I popped a big old wheel into the front flip over you. All right, at 50 subs, I'll pick 3, actually.
Skills right here, Brody.
At 50 subs, you know what? At 50 subs, as many people as they want to, I'll play with as many fans as y'all want.
Brody. Come down here.
But if you have TikTok to play with me, if you have it, you have to go follow on me on TikTok. Are you riding this rail?
Yeah.
Move. I'm like a trucker. I'm just floating it. Whatever. Didn't even take water damage. You know why?
Because we put snorkels on them.
Because it's a dirt bike.
What are you doing?
I don't know. Ooh. Oh, let's stay in the map.
Oh, no.
That was sick.
That's sick.
I love this map. Credits to whoever made this.
Hey, Brody. Hey.
I'm going to get a top speed on my dirt bike. Oh, there's a jump. Oh, dude. I dare you to go as fast as you can, and look where I just made it.
Alright, I'm coming.
There's no jump, by the way. It's not a jump. You just got to hope you're going fast because there's a big old thing of water. I cleared it. Because my big old tires.
Oh.
Oh, y'all see those drifts?
Hey.
Lean with it, raw with it. Lean with it, raw with it. No copyright, though. Yo, is this a drag strip? I found a drag strip. Yeah, look, it's a drag strip. Dang it, I crashed into the people sit.
Really?
Yeah. Oh my, I'm flying. Did you see that? Dude, I just flew. Are we at the farm?
No.
Oh, no. Wait, isn't this your house? This big old mansion?
My dirt bike just cut off.
It'll both. Oh, this is your house. Dude. You should buy this house.
Dog, I only have $1 left.
I'll pay for it. I'll buy you this house if you like it. Do you like it better than your house?
But I won't remember where it is.
Yeah, true. It'll be hard to get used to. Because we have no idea where we're at. Man.
Brody, ready? Ready, Brody? Watch this. Darn, I'm trying to get on the roof.
Oh.
Water damage work.
So you're going like this. No, I did not get fast enough. Now I'm going to go over the roof. I'm going to go into the water. I'm going to go as fast as I can do it.
Yeah. Me too. Ready, Brody, look. No.
Ready?
Brody. On the other side.
Dang it, now I gotta start talking louder, y'all. My game decided to start making where it wants to talk. I'm bare. Yo, I'm bought. Oh. Dude, I can't wait for y'all to pick me on a truck. I really want to see how it turns out. But there is one rule. You can't squat it. It's nice. Not as nice as my farm, though.
Hey, Brody. Hey.
Oh, that's a farmhouse. It's a barn. I'm about to pay for this. I'm buying this barn. Move.
Bought. It ain't no farming.
Pull out my phone. Alright, y'all. I just paid for this. That's mine now. If I ever find it again.
Brody, look.
I'm just kidding, y'all. That ain't mine. My farmhouse is mine. My farm is mine. That's it. Yo, this is going to be a long video. We probably need to end it here in a little bit. Okay.
What?
We probably need to end this video. I'm making this video another one. Okay. It's exactly where we ended our other video.
Oh, yeah.
Look.
I'm coming
Home.
tonight.
Shut up, bro. Back up. Alright, guys, I guess we'll do one more trail, then we're going to wrap it up for today's vid. You know what? We're going to float them for the last part. Actually, for the last part, we're going to get a top speed on my Jeep. Since my farm is right here. A beautiful Jeep. Alright, y'all ready? You're not ready to set the speed down. Well, this thing's got a smoke so I can float. But hey y'all, I guess we can't get a top speed. Not yet. How did I end up here? Don't ask me how, but I did.